Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are not doing anything hair related. I want to do a review on the new Maybelline Sky High Mascara. If you're on TikTok, which I think everybody is now with the pandemic, this is very highly rated. There's videos everywhere and I'm swearing that nothing could ever beat my Loreal Voluminous. I've been using this forever. Every time I've tried something different, I've always gone right back to this. I love this mascara, but people make this one look really good. So I wanted to compare them and see which one's better. So right now I have no mascara on, very rare occasion. People will never usually see me without mascara. I've got blonde eyelashes. Well, so right in the middle of recording, apparently my phone stopped recording while I was applying this. So I didn't get any of that on camera and I don't feel like removing it and trying it all because then I gotta redo my makeup. So we're just going to look at it. This is the eye that I did this Sky High mascara, and I even started doing I applied it to my bottom lashes before I realized that it's not recording. This is so ridiculous. And then this is the Loreal Voluminous. So I made a little bit of a mess. I'm not used to a flexible wand, so usually with this one I can really work it in, really good without making too much of a mess on my lids. And this one's super flexible, so I'm gonna have to get used to that. But you can kind of see, I think they're very, very similar. Both of them add tons of length to the eyelashes. I do use this Monat Eye Wonder right here, so I feel like that does help with the length of my eyelashes. I use this twice a day. So it doesn't have any harsh chemicals, so it doesn't cause any irritation to the eyes, so I love this. It also adds a lot of fullness. So I'll show you guys how I use this as well, but I use it on my upper and my lower lashes, so you can see there's a lot of length to my lower lashes as well. So now that we are recording, I'm gonna go ahead, I've only done one coat. This is not two coats, this is one coat. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this now to the bottom lashes over here because I've not done that yet. And this one is a little thicker consistency, I feel like, than this, but only because I've had this one open for, probably a week or two, and I feel like the longer you have them open, the thicker the consistency is. Some people have an issue with the Loreal Voluminous. They get it under their eyes. I've never had an issue with that. Again, I've probably been using it for 15 or 20 years. Never had an issue with it coming off my eyes. So that's going to be probably the one thing I can tell you is maybe like the difference is how they wear throughout the day. This one feels a lot harder. This one actually feels like a waterproof mascara. So I'm hoping it isn't. It doesn't say waterproof anywhere on it. I do not like waterproof mascaras because I can never, no matter what I use, I can't ever get it completely off my eyes. So I'm going to do a second coat just to see if it makes any difference to the length. And I did not curl my lashes. If you're going to curl them, it probably even makes a bigger difference as far as how long they're going to look. I'm trying to do this without making a mess on my lids. I'm not used to this brush. I'm in a very weird angle right now because the mirror that I'm using is down really low, so I'm having a hard time applying this in the position that I'm in. Goodness, this stuff is really, really amazing. So when I look up, you can kind of get an idea. This stuff is really good. I did not think I would ever like a mascara more than my Loreal Voluminous, and I may have found one. And I think it was priced maybe just a few dollars more. I usually get this in a 2-pack. And I think for the 2-pack, I pay maybe $6, $7 sometimes. This one, I believe, I don't remember, but I think it was $10. So let me do a second coat over here. Again, I think the main difference is the wand, but I do like the Sky High. I think it maybe adds a tiny bit more length. They're both really good. So you can't go wrong. If you can't find this one, purchase this one. I like both of them. I think the wear is going to be probably the main difference. I do like this. I'll definitely purchase it again Excuse my voice. I'm always raspy in the morning. I usually have a cup of water. That's why I hate doing videos. I hate my voice. It's so raspy. But anyways, so this is both mascaras. I'm going to hold them up. Love this. I really love this. I didn't think I would, but I do. So this is the Maybelline Sky High Loreal Voluminous Blackest Black, and this is black. I don't remember if it had like a specific black name, but this is it. So there's that side. Hopefully I didn't make too big of a mess. This side, and I like them both. So hopefully you learned something new about this. I know it's new. It's hard to find, so good luck trying to find it. And that's it. That's my review. And then I do want to go over real quickly how I use this right here. This is the Monat Eye Wonder. This is good for lashes and brows. And I always shake everything, anything within the Monat line, I always shake well because natural ingredients, you know, do settle down to the bottom. So whether or not it helps, who knows, but I shake everything. And then this has a brush like this. This is what the wand looks like. It's very teeny tiny. I just kind of dab it a little bit and then just go right as close to my lash line as possible. So I usually would do this whenever I don't have any mascara on, although I don't know if it matters, but I do it in the morning and in the evening. And again, just dab it right there as close to the lash line as you possibly can. And then I do the same down here. It's much easier to apply when you don't have mascara on. But this stuff really works. The main thing is just being consistent with everything. If you're gonna, it doesn't matter if you're taking medication, if you're trying to clear up skin, if you're trying to grow your hair out, whatever you do, you have to be consistent. So if the instructions say use twice a day and you're only using it once a day or you're only using it once a week, you're probably not going to see results. You may, but I can't promise you you're going to see results. So you got to definitely try to be consistent with it if you can. You're going to forget sometimes. But again, I just apply it there to my lash line. No irritation whatsoever. My eyes aren't red. This is plant-based, vegan, cruelty-free. There are a lot on the market that have some ingredients in them that actually can change your eye color. So you want to try to avoid those if possible. Those are chemicals and they're not safe. So this is completely safe. Nothing harmful in it whatsoever, and it's very reasonably priced. I think for VIP customers, it may be around the $50 mark. I'm going to have to look into that, but I know it's under $60, I believe. For market partners, it's even cheaper. I think I pay $42 for this right here, and it lasts forever. So that's how I use that. That's everything on the video. Just wanted to mainly show you guys the difference between these two mascaras. I love both of them. Again, this is what they look like. I love them. I don't know which one I like better. I think I actually may buy this one next time. And then we've got the Monat Eye Wonder right there. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. That's the best way to reach me because I don't always get to see these comments or always get to respond to them. So hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Let me know if you've tried either of these. Let me know in the comments below which one you like better. And hope everyone has a lovely day. Talk to you soon. Bye.